Wow! Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time to my channel, hi, my name is Sarah. Also, if you are new to my channel, subscribe! I never tell people to subscribe, and a lot of my viewers are subscribers, so if you want to see more content, subscribe, or just creep my channel, like you guys already do. For today's video, I did want to show you guys a couple cards, a couple ways to make them. Alongside my being eco-friendly video, I decided that I wanted to make some cards this year for people in my life. And the way I made them is completely eco-friendly. Everything that I've used in today's video can be either recycled or, I think actually recycled. Even the paint. I use water-activated paint, so even that can be put through the landfill because it is water-activated, so obviously even if it rains, it's going to activate it and then just kind of chills in the soil. And it becomes water. The good thing about water-activated paints is if you add enough water to it, it's basically nothing anymore. And let me just tell you, it rains all the time.
Can't rain all the time.
It does. So some of these are going to be more like cutesy and coupley, and then some of these are going to be more family orientated if you do joke around with your family a lot. None of these are going to be actually full on serious. I've only made 3 cards. I ended up buying 4 pieces of cardstock, which is exactly what I made these out of, but I ended up only making 3. I might get to a 4th if I think of something that I might want to make on it. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure whatever cardstock you're using or whatever kind of card making supplies you're using is going to fit in the envelope if you are sending these to anyone. Unless you're just giving it to someone as like an actual legitimate card. It doesn't matter in that case, but if you are going to be sending it, make sure that you do fit it in a envelope. You can definitely get really big ones, but if you're getting really big ones, you actually have to send it as a package, at least where I live, rather than just sending it again in an envelope, which I also enclose with washi tape. And if you guys have seen my eco-friendly hacks and tips and tricks video, then you know that washi tape is actually biodegradable. But if you guys want to see how I made these, then just keep watching. Now you may be asking yourself, is she actually using an envelope as a ruler to make a straight line? And the answer is yes. Yes, I am. This is definitely more of a watch me do it rather than an actual tutorial, because it would be incredibly difficult to actually tell you how to do these rather than just naming the shapes that I'm doing. So basically it's just a watch and learn, and if you want to make something like this, you definitely can yourself. There are probably other actual tutorials online, but this is just watch me do it, and if you want to do it yourself, go right ahead and follow along with me. Or just make your own cards. Hell, just make your own cards if you'd like to. And that's going to be another 6 minutes of me just chilling out. I would like to add though that with any kind of creativity that I usually do on my channel, if I'm doing body paint, I'm usually planning it out with a eyeliner, and that's exactly what I'm doing with the striatal lines in this. Starting out with a pencil and going over it with a pen, and then I'm obviously going to be erasing the pencil underneath. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Merry Christmas.